You need to watch this if you love burrito bowls but hate the guilt. Let's make a delicious, healthy version. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need cooked chicken breast, brown rice, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, bell peppers, avocado, lime, cilantro, and a sprinkle of your favorite spices. Got 'em? Great. Start by heating up some olive oil in a pan. Toss in your diced bell peppers and cook until they're nice and tender. Now let's add our cooked chicken breast. Season it with a pinch of salt, pepper, cumin, and a dash of chili powder. Give it a good stir. Next, grab your bowl. Layer in a scoop of brown rice as your base. Pile on a spoonful of black beans, some sweet corn, and those juicy diced tomatoes. Add your sizzling chicken and bell peppers right on top. Oh, it's looking good already. Now for the fun part, toppings. Slice up some fresh avocado and lay it gently on your bowl. Squeeze a wedge of lime over everything for that zesty flavor. Sprinkle a handful of chopped cilantro to finish it off. And there you have it. A healthy, mouth-watering chicken burrito bowl that's perfect for lunch or dinner. Quick, easy, and oh so satisfying. Remember, eating healthy doesn't have to be boring. Give this recipe a try and let us know how you liked it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tasty, guilt-free recipes. Happy cooking!